I think I became shocked myself that I created these lips on myself. Like, in fact, no need of talking too much. I'm going to be showing you how I created these lips on myself. No talking too much. Okay, guys. So I did my makeup and I decided to do my lips, and then I brought this Oxblood lip liner. I don't know how, but I just started placing it on my lips. Honestly, this wouldn't be my usual self, but this is me just going out of the box, right? So I just added this lips. I'm just placing it and using it to line my lips. Okay, so this is one lip stain that is given to me by a color drain, because me on a normal day wouldn't even buy it to use on myself. So a brand had sent me this lip stain, this lip liner. So I kept it since. I've been using the brown one, but this particular shade I've not used it. So today I decided to just use it and line my lips. So I'm like, maybe if I line my lips I'll still go on with something nude and stuff like that. I don't know why, but I did use it to line the lips. After lining the lips, I'm like, okay, maybe I can actually just add something that is like red on my lips. Honestly, I don't know how I just keep going and keep going for the red lips. Just trying to like get everything correct and everything. So I got this this red lip stain from Milani. Is a shade called Mi Amor. So yeah, I don't know if it's Mi Amor or Amor. Why am I saying Mi Amor? Oh no, it's shade called Amor or something. I think I'm getting it right or something. I don't know. So I just added the shade on my lips. Like, I'm being very skeptical. Like, I don't think there's anything that feared me more than this particular, because I did a beautiful makeup. I don't want to ruin it with the lips, and maybe at the end of the day I'm not going to like the lips or something. But I'm like, whatever, I'm not going anywhere, so I can just, if it's not nice, I take it off. Okay, so I added the lips, and I'm still, you can even see the way I'm looking. I am really scared. So I added the lips, and I looked at myself. I'm like, is this me? Am I doing anything right or wrong? So I'm just looking at it. I'm like, no, it's not even red the way I expected it to be. So I'm going to go for another coating. So I had to let the lip stain dry, and then I go in with the second coating. So one thing I noticed in this lip stain is that if it's drying, it's actually turning another color. I don't understand. Like, I wanted it to remain that pepper red that I'm seeing. Like, I don't know why you are turning to be like another thing. So this is me also smacking and trying to dry it out. Like, I want to dry it and see what is going to be, or like what I'm going to get, like anything. Let me see at the end of the day what we are working with. Okay guys, so I keep looking at it and I keep like, everything is okay, everything is nice. I'm just taking a wash and trying to see. This is me blending the inner part of my lips to make sure that I'm not having one side lips and one side my mouth. No. Okay guys, so I blended everything in and make sure that the lip stain is everywhere. And I keep looking at it. I think okay, I did only 2 coatings. I keep looking at it. Like, my mouth is beautiful, my teeth is white, which is one of the things I love about red lips. And then this is me looking at myself. So after everything, I was contemplating whether I should go ahead and add a lot of whether I should add gloss on the lips or not. And at the end of the day, I decided I'm going to add gloss, but that is if I am done, when I'm definitely done with the makeup, when I'm done with all the videos I want to create, because I wanted to create a lot of videos. So at this point, I'm already done with all the videos I want to create, and I decided to go ahead and pop gloss on that lips. And yes, I did it. So I added gloss. The reason why I added gloss later was because if it's spoil, it's spoil. There is nothing I can do anymore, right? Because red lips, when you add gloss on it, there is no going back. So I'm like, no, I might prefer it without gloss. So let me just create my videos first and then go ahead and pop on the gloss. So this is me adding gloss, and after the gloss, and I must tell you guys, this is one of the most beautiful nude red lips I've ever created. Hope you love this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to definitely see you guys next time. Bye.